Finished. All right, here we go. So the first moves, you're going to take your right leg, walk forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have your legs out, open just a little bit, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to take your hips, roll them round. Now let's do the walk first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to repeat that back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Next thing we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So we start off with the right, step behind on the left, step out on the right, tap left. Yeah? And right, left, right, tap left. Once more. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, tap left. Okay, so let's go on to the beginning, adding that on. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take grapevine and 1, 2, 3, and tap. Again. 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, out a bit, and hips roll, hips roll. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, hip roll. 6, grapevine to the right, right, left, right, tap, right. Okay, the next one we're going to do a full turn, yeah? So it's going to go left, tap, right. Yeah? So let's go from the grapevine. Step behind, step, tap, get ready to turn, left, tap. And tap your right leg up, yeah? From the top. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, turn with the left. 1, 2, 3, tap. Once more, then we move on. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, grapevine to the right, and a 1, 2, 3, tap left, 1, 2, 3, and tap. Okay, so we're going to do 4 sailors. We're going to go right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah? So on a 1, it goes behind. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So that's 4 of those. 2 of them we're going to turn. So you do 2 in place. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And then you're going to take a quarter turn to that wall, doing those 2 steps. Right, left, left, right, left. So you end up at that quarter wall to your left. So let's try that. Just from the sailor. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So let's take it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll, Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. Now grapevine to the right. Now turn. Now your sailors. And 1, 2, turn 3, and 4. So you might have had a bit of problem when we did the turn, yeah? So remember, you've got to do the tap. So it's grapevine to the right and tap. Grapevine to the left and tap right. So you've got your ready tap to go. Right leg goes behind for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's the turn. So let's try it once more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. Take it back, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. Grapevine to the right. Tap left, now turn. Tap right, and sailor, turn, and sailor, and sailor. And then you take the whole thing from the quarter wall to the top. So let's try that from this wall. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and roll, and roll. Now take it back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll, and roll. What's next? Grapevine to the right. Great, lovely. So we go. Grapevine to the right, tap. We do a full turn, turn around, tap. Then you go into sailor, and sailor, and sailor, turn, and sailor, and sailor. So now you should have turned to the other wall. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. Take it back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. Grapevine to the right, and 1, 2, turn. Tap on the right, and sailor, turn, and sailor. Walk it forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hips. Take it back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hips. Grapevine to the right, and 1, 2, 3, and tap and turn. Tap, and sailor, and sailor, and sailor, and sailor. Yes? Okay, let's have a look, shall we?